Hi, this is Lance Sumner out in the Washington, D.C. area, and I'm going to share a few tips with you about building your Facebook fan page, kind of help with the results, build up a little bit more growth with it, and help it to go a little bit viral, to get it going viral. So here you see on the page in front of you is a Facebook fan page I put together. I like traveling, so I want to share travel adventures and journeys on this page with people that like the same, and so some video footage, some imagery, and some of those things, and use some posts in there to get people to engage and leave comments, like, and share. So anyway, this page, I just wanted to show you and kind of orient you to the page and what I'm talking about, how you can help yourself in case you didn't know about it. So anyway, this, you have your page up here. You want to know, orient to the page. Ad center, so that you can post some ads that will help improve your page. Inbox, if you have any messages, any jobs that you're going to perform, manage some jobs. Notifications, real good when you see this. You want to click on it and see what's going on between the reaction between your page or post or anything happening. And then insights, very important place to go and look and see how is the page overall doing. Over here, edit your page information, the key information or categories about the page, and it's also under settings, and we'll look at that in a minute. So anyway, this page, you can see also, it's always good that kind of brings people to your page and they get excited is when you offer something. So you can do like here, and I'll show you down here. We'll scroll down. And on this image right here, this video, little video footage, but I just use a stacked method, what we'll call a stacked method. A little blurb relation to being out in the West. Like and share, leave us a comment, and make sure to register for a 3-day Las Vegas giveaway that we're going to conduct in down in 2020, somewhere in the March timeframe. So you can create a survey on many places. I chose to use GetResponse. They have a survey tool. Create a survey. You leave also a thank you page in there within that survey that once they fill it out, it goes to a thank you page. Thanking them for filling out the survey, and always make sure to pay attention so that when we do the drawing, in case they are the winner. So this helps begin to bring activity and more people to your page. At the same time, it helps if you're doing anything online or building a business. It helps people to come into your list so that you can correspond with them and build those better relations and share with them anything that you might be doing that they may be interested in. So this is just one of those pages that provide a lot of good imagery and videos. We're not going to be too long on here. So anyway, I want to show you the most important part, what I was talking about to increase results, because some people I don't think pay attention to this or are aware of it. Over here under notifications, I have a couple here, and I already checked it earlier, so we'll see if it has some additional now. Notifications takes us over here, and now I can see what has been happening. I have a couple of people who liked the post. Okay, so I'm going to click it and click anywhere in the name or the image. Let's see. So when you get this and this pulls up, you're going to want to go down here to the thumbs up or the heart and click on the thumbs up. See if we have any. So I've already checked this. If there were any of these blocks that were in black, not grayed out, that would say invite, you would click it to invite them to your page to like the page. That brings them back to the page to like the page. So there's a couple of things when that happens. Some people already liked it right off the top. No more right now. And you also just checked under the hearts, those that gave you a heart. I've already invited one there because the other 3 liked. Okay, so that's a good one there. I've already checked here. It also tells you if there was any reaction or engagement to your post, or if they've already liked the destinventures.com page. So if we go back over here to the page, and we're going to do it, what I'm going to show you right now. if I want to promote the page, you can go on this side here and go to promote. This will promote the page to help people come to the page, become aware of what you have on your page, what it's all about. Or you can also go to any one of your posts and choose boost the post to get more engagement with that post, bring people to your page still, and hopefully they like it. Now, if they like the page right here and they click liked, they're going to be following you from that point, and this will be on the default on highlight post. So now that they've liked the page, when you do a post, they're going to get notified and they can come back and see what you're up to. So let's do an ad real quick just to kind of show you how it is. Just quick, doesn't have to be much. I just want to promote the page. You have some choices here. I just want to promote the page. Okay, I've already laid it out. I've already done some creation. So all I have to do really is just kind of tell it how much I want to spend over a period of time to get some results. And this is pretty step by step on being able to lay this out. So let's go down here. I've already created my niche of people, groups that I wanted to go ahead and have come to this page, which is right here. You can set your age range, audience, not to go too fast for you, single image for the page, has even the actual place they can go to connect to become get involved with travel. I don't want to run it continuously. I just want to do a run. I'm just going to do, let's just do a 5-day run. 5-day run at $5 a daily. Okay, which equals, and it tells you, this will be a total spent $25. I'm going to get about 79 to 228 likes per day. Okay, so we'll go, so that's there. That's all set, have it all set up for this account. Your payment method has to be in there, and then once you're ready, you're going to just click promote, just like that, and it will go off, and it will be checked for approval. Make sure that whatever you're doing with your Facebook fan page, that everything is consistent. Okay, continuity of what the page is about and what you're promoting. And just go read the policy information on what you can do when posting an ad or boosting a post, just so that you don't get your account shut down. I've run into that problem before, and you just have to make sure that you're following the rules out there. All right, so we'll go back down here real quick. So anyway, I'm going to go back over to now another important place here you want to check out is Insights. So go over to Insights. See how it's been doing. Okay. I've only had 3 actions on this page, but it's an increase still in the green. Some page views. 66 page likes. Post reach. And that's only going to go up. Now, post engagement down here, a little bit down on the total viewing of videos, page followers, and then some more data. So all this is metrics, insight for you to take a look and see how can I improve this, what can I do to tweak it and improve and make things work better for me. So let's go back over to, and in your ad center, if you have any ads running, you can just click on Ad Center, and that will show you what you currently have running. Okay, we just put in for another one. I'll run it. This one's about ready to close out, so that other one will run and go past the date. It'll just keep running. So this helps improve the overall results of growth at a very low cost. And people, if they come in and they're interested in travel, they want to fill out for your giveaway, and you really kind of got to go big. It can't be something small if you're going to give away in order to get the increase to your site. Even if it's just saying, hey, and at the end of the week, I'm going to be giving away to one lucky winner $100. That's enough to draw somebody to fill out your survey, come in and participate in that, and like the page. Now, for mine, the winner of the 3-day giveaway would be due to the most of those people who like, share, and comment. And when people share, this is when it starts getting viral. People begin to share your videos or your images. It goes out to their groups or their friends and things, and the next thing you know, they're coming back and liking your page, and your page begins to grow and get larger and larger because of the shares. So just be aware of that. I hope this has been helpful for you. I'm going to leave some important information in the description block below the YouTube video that I'm going to post. And also, this is me being online and working online for a while. Once you start making money, and I know there's a lot of people that struggle to get started making money, but once you do start making money, you can venture off and you start building streams of income. And it's really important to have the right tools. And I'll just give you 3 things that I know are very important. You have to have a way to build a funnel. You have to have traffic, of course, once you build the funnel. You have to have a way to do tracking. And you should have an autoresponder so that when you do have a funnel and people opt into that specific opportunity page, that they go into your list, whether that's Aweber, whether that's GetResponse, or whatever you choose to use out there. And with your email series and your autoresponder to share that valuable information with people. So those are 3 key tools. Way to build a funnel. I use ClickFunnels, GetResponse as an autoresponder, and I use buildredirects as a tracking tool that allows a lot of way to make sure that everything are unique hits, quality traffic coming to the link that I use. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. Feel free to email me back, shoot me a message, if you want to know more. Been doing this quite a while, and just learn that you need to take the time, be patient with persistence, and that will lead you to prosperity. Guarantee if you will just take the time to learn some of the ropes out here, you'll be highly successful out here online to growing your income. All right, many blessings.